Are you looking for the top 5 best phone stands for every need? Which phone stand is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Naloxy Dual Folding Stand. First up is the Naloxy Dual Folding Cell Phone Stand. This sleek little gadget caught my eye, especially considering it's just $9.99. If you want a solid, adjustable stand that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Naloxy stand is fully adjustable and folds flat, making it easy to stash in your bag or use at home. It fits various devices, including iPhones and even the Nintendo Switch. Plus, it has a non-slip design that keeps your phone stable, so you won't have to worry about it sliding off during a video call or while binge watching. With over 10,000 sold in the past month, people clearly love it. Now, some people complained about the build quality not feeling premium. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's hard to argue against its performance. If you're gentle with it, this stand will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable, budget-friendly phone holder. Skip this one if you need something that feels super heavy-duty.
Product number 2, Lipacy 64-inch tripod. Next, we have the Lipacy 64-inch tripod for cell phone and camera. Priced at $23.98, this one stood out because it's a tripod too. If you're a content creator or someone who loves taking pictures, this could be a great fit. Here's the deal. This tripod is height adjustable and comes with a remote, making it super convenient for selfies or group shots. You can shoot from various angles and even stabilize your phone for videos. It's sturdy and can handle your phone securely, which is crucial for those shaky moments. Plus, it's been bought over 10,000 times recently, which says a lot about its popularity. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to carry around. But honestly, if you're serious about capturing high-quality photos or videos, the added stability and versatility make it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you love documenting your life.
Product number 3, Andurry Car Phone Holder for MagSafe devices, priced at $25.58. This one piqued my interest because it promises serious stability while driving. If you're constantly on the go and need your phone securely mounted, listen up. This holder features a 360-degree rotation and dual-axis adjustment, so you can switch between portrait and landscape easily. It uses a strong suction that can hold up to 78 pounds, which means no more dropping your phone on bumpy roads. With 22 high-performance magnets, it keeps your phone firmly in place while ensuring you can still get your GPS directions or take calls. Plus, its design helps keep your phone cool, which is a nice touch for long drives. Now, some users pointed out that it may not fit all car vents perfectly. Here's the thing though. If you have a MagSafe device, the magnetic strength is hard to beat, making this a solid choice for most users. This is perfect for you if you drive often and need a reliable mount. Skip this one if your phone isn't compatible with MagSafe, but for the price, it offers excellent. Product number 4, Listen Cell Phone Stand. Next up is the Listen Cell Phone Stand, retailing at just $9.99. What caught my attention is its versatility as an office and gaming accessory. If you need something that works well at your desk, you should definitely consider this. This stand is designed to fit various devices, including tablets, which means you can use it for more than just your phone. It has adjustable angles, so you can find the perfect position whether you're working or playing games. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many find it useful for daily life. However, some users pointed out that it might not hold heavier devices as securely. But honestly, if you mostly use it for phones, it does a great job without taking up much space on your desk. This is perfect for you if you work from home or need a solid stand for gaming. Skip this one if you plan to use it for very heavy tablets, but it's great for the price.
Product number 5, Lamicall Cell Phone Stand. Last but not least, we have the Lamicall Cell Phone Stand, also priced at $9.99. What stood out to me is its height adjustability. If you're looking for a stand that can adapt to your viewing needs, this one's worth checking out. This stand is foldable and portable, making it easy to carry around. The height adjustment means you can set your phone at eye level, which is great for video calls or watching shows. It supports various phone models, including newer iPhones and Galaxy devices, and has received over 8,000 purchases in just the past month. Some reviewers mentioned that the base could be a bit wobbly at maximum height. Here's the thing though, if you don't need to extend it to the max all the time, it holds steady and performs well for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you want a portable stand that adapts to your needs. Skip this one if you...
So to wrap it up, we've covered the Naloxy dual folding stand, Lificy tripod, Andoury car holder, Listen stand, and Lamicall stand. Each one has its unique features that cater to different needs, whether you're on the go, at your desk, or creating content. Take your pick based on what fits your lifestyle best.